light, power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire, potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar, in the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud, through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello po, so welcome po sa inyong readings. Ito po ang energy update. So, dito po sa mga nakalista, no, na zodiac signs para po sa inyo ito. This is a timeless reading. Kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, this is actually meant for you to have this, no? So, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. So as you can see, no, nagre-release po tayo ng mga bagong videos doon. If you also want to join the live sessions doon po sa channel na yon, Babaylan TV. No, kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Yan. I want you to know that this is, apart from the timeless reading, no, this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na po tayo. I can see here, no, parang ngayon ka lang yata na in love ng ganito ka lala. Lala talaga. Ganito ka strong. It felt like, siguro para tayong napapraning dito kasi masyado tayo nag-overthink. You know, the overthinking in here is more of papunta tayo sa okay sana kung yung overthinking natin is binibigyan tayo ng hopes, no? Kung positive, kung nauuwi tayo sa confidence, or kahit sabihin mo ng overconfidence, you know, at least our energies are high, no? Pero it felt like you are heading into the other direction, right? Namumuo yung takot, namumuo itong anxiety, no? Iiwan ba ako ni person, no? Mahal kaya niya ako? Parehas kaya kami ng nararamdaman? Crush niya rin kaya ako, no? Magka-same level ba kami ng nararamdaman, no? Iniisip niya rin kaya ako? With the sacral chakra in here, it felt like na, alam mo yung part na hindi ka nakakatulog sa pag-alala, tapos hindi mo alam na yung gagawin dahil minsan naduduwal ka ng kakaisip, no? Parang instead of nai-inspire tayo, nai-stress tayo, although wala pa naman nangyayari, di ba? Wala naman siyang nangyayari. Pini-preempt natin yung mga bagay. Okay, sana kung ang preempt, yung nagpe-preempt tayo into a positive nga, no? But you know what? Siguro kaya ito rin yung reason bakit siguro dumaan to, no? Sa either timeline mo, sa YouTube mo, no? It's for you to understand na hindi mo dapat nagiging ganon. Hindi dapat ganon. Fulfillment of wishes is here. So, kalmahin mo, no? I think if you're practicing manifestation, tingin mo, no, ang manifestation na ginagawa mo is you're on the right path. No. Because you are putting more weight, no, dun sa manifestation, and it felt like instead na makatulong, parang pakiwari ko, mas parang lumalala. Ikaw mismo yung nagsa-self-sabotage doon sa nangyayari dahil instead na masaya sana, no, pa-positive, or baka pinapabagal mo, no? Pinapabagal mo. Ika nga nila when it comes to manifestation, ano ba itong dinidiligan natin, 'di ba? Kasi kung ano yung tinanim mo, yun yung aanihin mo, tama nga naman. So, I just want to ask you, ano ba itong tinatanim mo? Positive ba na mga pangyayari or negative? It felt like katulad ng sinabi ko sa'yo, no? I think that this is the time for you to hear this, lalo na kung ikaw itong taong ito na um, ang dami mong iniisip at puro na lang um, unfortunate events, no? Na pwedeng mangyari sa inyo ng taong mahal mo, no? Let me know nga sa comment section, do you want me to have a specific video or day, no, to upload so that we can just talk about manifestations, no, para at least parehas tayong natututo, 'di ba? With the King of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. You know what ang nakikita ko dito? Eto na nga eh. Minsan, bigla tayong sumisigaw, konting pagkakamali lang or kung hindi nangyari, kung ano yung let's say kung hindi nangyari kapag tumawag siya, kunyari meron tayong agreement, ako yung person mo. Kunyari may agreement tayo na 5 o'clock magte-text ako sa'yo, no? 5 in the afternoon magte-text ako sa'yo. Na mali lang ng 5:01, na late lang ng 5:01, 5:30, no? Or nakalimutan ko. Iba na agad yung iniisip mo. Instead na sana makapag-explain, ako, ang nangyayari dito, ibinabalik ko na lang din yung energy ko. So kung kapag humihiyaw ka na, it felt like I'm mirroring your energy. Even though that I don't like to, parang nasasabi ko sa'yo, yung same energy, parang nagagawa ko rin yung same energy kung paano mo ko kinakausap, no? I don't know if your person has history on this. Let me also know in the comment section. But also, if napatawad mo naman na yung person, I feel like, no, hindi natin kailangan maging praning. Siguro it also depends on kung paano mo siya mapatawad, no? But I feel like your person here, nakikita mo naman yung emotion, no? Parang nagiging nonchalant na siya. Parang feeling mo kasi matatakot sa'yo si person kapag sumigaw ka na. Kung nagiging ganon ang norm, no? Kung nagiging ganon ang norm ng relationship, I feel like si person hindi siya, instead of matakot, parang nagiging normal na nga. Kung yun yung nagiging tradition, parang normal na to. So, normal na sa akin siyang nagagalit. Normal na nagsisigawan kami. So, it felt like to me, you're creating a culture that you might going to pwedeng pagsisihan at the end, no? Kasi yung nabubuo nating culture, hindi siya actually productive, right? Or positive, with the Nine of Wands and the Three of Hearts. So, ang nakikita ko dito, you're actually self-sabotaging the connection. You're opening a portal, you're opening a door, you're opening a culture, a tradition that parang magsasakitan lang kayo dito ng damdamin eh, no? Let's clarify the Three of Hearts because it felt like masyadong cutthroat din. Siguro ikaw magsalita, so parang nasasaktan din yung ego niya o nasasaktan siya per se. Ibinabato din niya kung paano ka magsalita. So nagkakaroon kayo ng masasakit na salita, parang mga kutsilyo, no, na binabalibag sa isa't isa. With the Four of Pentacles and the Hierophant. I feel like itong relationship na ito, hindi masyadong naririnig ang sorry, I love you, pero madaling marinig ang mura, madaling marinig ang sigaw, madaling marinig itong mga bagay na sabihin nating kailangang bakit parang walang pagkakasundo, no? Walang common ground, walang kumbaga parehas kayong nagmi-meet doon, parehas kayong uh, there's no compromise, no? I think kailangan may compromise dito no? Kasi kung ano man itong kinakatakutan mo, it felt like to me, it is something that your mapaglarong imagination created, no? Pansinin niyo yung buhok ko, kaya ako ginanon. Just kidding. With the Page of Cups and the Hanged Man. Nakita mo, kahit konting post lang, nakita mo yung itsura niya, galit. I think that masyado tayong nagiging selosa, no? Kaya ngayon tayo si person, na parang, ano ba dapat kong gawin? Parang sala sa init, sala sa lamig. Hindi ko alam kung, parang naubusan na rin siya ng options, how to satisfy you, how to make you happy, no? Tingnan nga natin dito. Naloloka ko sa inyo, no? Yan, with the Two of Cups, and the Five of Wands. I feel like madalas lang talaga ang pag-aaway. Alam nyo, since the Two of Cups in here, kumbaga, yung love, natatakpan siya kasi parang ang nagiging love language dito is yung away, no? Parang hindi nabubuo yung isang araw kung hindi tayo nag-aaway. So if that is the culture, if that works for you, that works for you, 'di ba? Hindi, congratulations, 'di ba? Kung ang love language niya ay pag-aaway, doon nyo na papakita na mahal niyo isa't isa. It works for you, 'di ba? Pero kung hindi naman, I think it's time to change the course, no? You are not going to receive, or you won't expect a different result if you're doing the same thing over and over again, which I believe the lovers in here and the 10 of Wands. It's hard for the love to come up because you are also creating something that's the emotion should be on the right side, not on the left, right? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, ngayon nahihirapang maging emotional, mas madaling maging magalit, no? Sa relationship. Pero kung tinatanong mo kung mahal ka, I feel like mahal ka naman. Siguro kailangan lang maiba, no? Itong love languages natin. So, yeah, this is your reading. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate, hit the notification bell. Kung meron po kayong tanong, pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling nyo hindi kayo makakatulog sa yes or no na sagot, might as well dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link. No, makikita nyo po yung question form sa baba po no, na dun po yung QR codes, yung name, number, the amount, no, for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa mga QR codes. Ayan. So, love and light to you. Namaste and see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye!